Coco's right in the shot, love.
Come here, Coco. Come here. Come here. She doesn't.
Coco, it's all tail, baby. You gotta go lie down.
Daddy doesn't open it. What is it? What is it?
Go. Go lie down. Go on your bed.
Thank you, Coco. What is it? What is it? There. How low down there? How low? Oh wait, let her get the last pits.
On your bed.
Let her do it. It's okay. Robert, let her do it, okay? Cheese, guys. Hey, Robert. I'm gonna get out. Oh. Oh, look at the bag I got. Bring it down here for her. It's okay. Oh.
Oh, I think it's a hit. Turn it sideways so we can see it on the camera.
Oh, let's see this way.
Oh. Oh, this is her. Aw.
Just wait. Okay, look. Oh. What's it called?
Batteries. Do you mean batteries?
No, it's got batteries in it.
Okay.
No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. What?
What's Mommy have?
Mommy's just gotta turn it on.
Where's the cutter?
There's a button on the left, I believe. See the little green switch? Okay, open it up, Mommy.
Robert, Mommy's gonna open it up.
So excited.
Should have brought some scissors.
Now the unwrapping begins. 4 hours later.
Here.
Good thing it's time-elapse photography.
Nope. Thank you.
Mommy, camera.
Robert, can you give that to Daddy?
Thanks, Big Cheese.
Thank you.
Robert, you're on camera. Are you gonna do a dance or anything, or? Dance, dance, dance.
I got the kids hoarding it. Like over top, just swarming over top, like, oh baby, oh baby. I might need the box. Oh, look, joy, oh joy, I love these straps.
It's better than little people with all them twist ties.
Yeah.
You gotta use pliers. Oh, she wants to pull it. Look. Robert. Robert. You're gonna let her play with it, right? I know. Come on, Mommy, for God's sakes, get it. Mommy, come on, get it open.
I can do this, I'm doing it. Come on.
Good family.
Ready? Alexandria. Oh. Oh, Alexandria. Oh, I didn't know what they're doing here.
Oh, big lamb.
I'll open that for you.
Okay, no, thank you.
Let's go.
Want to take a picture? Want to take some pictures?
I need some scissors.
Okay, here, I'll do it for you.
No, I'm okay.
It's a, I trust you to not cut your fingers. If it, where are you going to cut? Oh, perfect. Okay.
Let's go.
Oh, you know what you should do? What you do next? I'll fold it and you cut right here.
The kite soars up, up in the wind.
lost interest with the airplane now, and she's over here.
Okay, good
on
job.
the
You
box.
put the scissors up high so that he doesn't get them. Oh, she's like, I found tape.
I found tape instead. Here, mine. Can I take this? You put it in.
Here, Alexandria.
You put it in.
Wait, in the top part. Try it.
Where? Let's go. We had this thing.
Or you put that in here. Where do you put it?
I think you got to turn it on a different feature for the learning portion. One is music and songs. You want to throw me the instructions? I'll read them. Sandra?
This is already the instructional side.
Trade.
Oh, you press in there to get in them. There's more of these.
Robert, give her a ball. Give her the ball. Give her a ball.
Let's go.
So there's a learning mode and a music mode.
Yeah, I don't learn more.
Oh. Okay,
Okay, are you gonna give her one? You press down. Press down. Press down. Look at this guy. Push, go. Oh, push.
Insert the balls to count from 1 to 4 in the learning mode. When you have counted to 4, you will be encouraged to count again. In the music mode, insert the balls to hear the color identified, followed by a melody. The light will flash with the sound. The melody list is Alouetta, the alphabet song, It's Raining, It's Pouring, Pop Goes the Weasel, Hickory Dickory Dock, Oh Where Has My Little Dog Gone, and Bingo. They've got the lyrics here.
Nice. Let's do the music. Ready? Cool, Alexandria. Let me show Alexandria. Watch. Watch.
I can give you press this. I want to move it.
No, she's playing with it right now, sweetheart. Uh-oh. Thank you.
Oh, there's more of those balls. There's more of those balls.
That's it. Press it.
Oh, you actually push it down. Wow, that's cool. How does it know the color?
Must be a little sensor in it.
Ooh, I'm gonna
It's
try
that same voice.
No, different.
She says it's music time. It sounds exactly the same.
Okay. Do you want to see it move? I want to see watch this.
Okay, she's actually playing with it right now, okay? Okay?
You can play with the ball.
You can play with this ball that she got for her birthday, okay? And she can play with this, okay? You want to help me clean up a bit?
No.
You guys could race.
What? Ow.
Well, you could get the bag, and then you guys could race to see who gets the most stuff in the bag. 1, 2, 3, go!
Doing it!
Mommy, you get more in there. Get more in. Robert, grab the tissue quick before she wins. Go, go, go. Oh, Robert got a huge piece. Okay, get this piece. Get this piece here, Robert. Get this piece. That's a huge piece. Get the box. The box. Look, the box.
Oh, you did it!
Wow. You filled it up.
Wow. Oh, there's
There's
another
2 more
ball.
balls.
Great. Thanks, Robert.
Good job, buddy.
No, we're not doing that. Oh, I caught those balls. I caught those balls.
You have one already. So one for you.
Two.
No, 2 for you and 2 for Alexandria. Here.
Robert, please make sure that you're letting her have turn, okay?
Let's just
Okay, let him sort it out.
yeah.
She'll let him know. If she's anything like her mother, he'll find out all about it.